So we got this mysterious package from somebody waiting in front of our door, and from my good friend Demetrios. This is his company, Billy Goat. I'm so excited. What is this?
Fire clips.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Bibs.
Bandana bibs. Oh, so cute.
That's great. Wow. Oh, and shoes. How cute, with socks. So go check Billy Goat out. Gotta be website. There's the website. BillyGoatBabyGear.com. Thank you, Demetrios, so much. This is amazing. Let's take a look at these shoes. Huh? Oh, nice. How cool is this? Some socks. Oh, even the socks come like the branding. That's great. Your essentials. Essential activities with your baby. Check those out. I'm not going to read them all. Anyway, it looks like a great resource for those new parents, old parents, anybody that needs this type of stuff. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Much love.